This is the 35th LeetCode challenge, and it is called Search Insert Position. Given a sorted array of distinct integers and a target value, return the index if the target is found. If not, return the index where it would be if it were inserted in order. You must write an algorithm with O log n runtime complexity. So if you get 1356 and the target is 2, the output will be 1 because currently index 1 is 3, but 3 is greater than 2, so 2 would be there instead, and 3 would be pushed upwards. If you... I skipped one up here. So if you get target 5, that just returns 2 because that's where it is. If you have target 7, that would be 4 because there would have to be an extra spot up here. So 0, 1, 2, 3. 7 is greater than 6, so up would be 4. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, this is going to be another binary search one. So we'll do int lower equals 0 and upper nums minus 1. So some things we can do straight away. If nums lower is greater than or equal to target, return 0. If nums upper is less than target, return nums length. And I guess we can just also do if it equals target, turn upper. Okay, so we'll do while lower is less than upper. We then need to do int current equals upper minus lower, then divided by 2. If current is less than lower, do that. If current is target, if current is less than target, lower equals target. If current nums, there we go, we do that. If nums current equals target, return current. Also add a check at the top. If lower equals upper minus 1, return lower, I think. Or would this be return upper? I think this would actually be return upper because we're kind of shifting it up. And then here we'll just do return upper. So let's run it just to see what outputs we will get. And we got the correct outputs. Cool. Okay. Let's copy this, put it into LeetCode, and see if it works with all the other ones. So put it here, run it, just make sure with the test cases, if those are all good, which they are, so now let's submit. Okay, cool, that was the solution. Sorry, that's the 35th LeetCode challenge called Search Insert Position. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.